One way to help with accessibility is to use landmarks and styles in docs. One thing that's really important to think about is using this side summary and outline tool. So in a blank doc, if I just simply type title, it's normal text. If I highlight it and go up and change it to title, I can apply the title and it goes to a predetermined font and size. Then you'll notice in the outline that I have a title. It's really great for navigation. Then first important point. If I want to, I can then do a heading 1 and apply it. It's smaller, again a predetermined, and now I have an easy way to navigate through a document. If I don't want that predetermined styling, say like I want it bolded and underlined and this size, when I would go, I could go to heading and I could say update to match. And now you'll notice it changes all of the styles to be the same. So this is a great navigation tool. And then if I type in content, third point, highlight, make that a heading. So now when I touch the outline, it immediately goes to those places in the document. And as you can see, you can go to heading 2, heading 3, and there's even more options. You can save as default styles. So if you have a certain font and style you are using consistently, you can accommodate that and make that your default as well.